The orange-bellied parrot's a beautiful little parrot that's found in the southwest of Tasmania. It's only a little bit bigger than a budgerigar. It's found in the open grasslands down there, and it nests in areas that have a few eucalyptus trees right next to an open button grass plain. It's a beautiful little bird, breeds in Tasmania, and then it flies up to the mainland each winter, and then it returns to the southwest of Tasmania. This year, it's become a real crisis. Only 3 females have returned to breed. There's a few more males hovering around, but there are only 3 breeding females. This bird is going to go extinct within the next couple of years unless we do something very dramatic to help save it. But the one trump card we have to play is that a few years ago they established a small breeding population in captivity. Now those birds, when you release them into the wild, they don't do very well. They're not very fit or healthy, and they can't make the migration very well. But they are there, and they're our sort of insurance population. And we're hoping to use the young that they produce in captivity and to use those young to supplement the young of the wild birds, put eggs under wild breeding birds, put nestlings under wild breeding birds, and do whatever we can to increase the reproductive success of those wild birds so that there are more of them surviving each season and ready to make that difficult migration. We've had wonderful success with another endangered species, the swift parrot, and we've been able to help them recently by providing them with a lot of nest boxes in the habitat where they do best. And we're going to use a lot of those similar techniques at Melaleuca with these remaining orange-bellied parrots. Also use these additional techniques whereby we get in there very, very carefully, manipulate the clutches, and really make sure that they produce the maximum number of young for each breeding attempt that they make.